Hello everyone, today we will do a comparison of high temperature resistant packaging materials. Now, let's see how it behaves when the material is put into boiling water. We can see that the one material is deformed in boiling water. Now put in 2, it has also changed, but compared with 1, it is very different. 2 has maintained a very good state and did not produce large deformation. Next we completed the remaining 2 sets of material tests. Two is a high-temperature resistant material called APET-EVOH. 1 is an ordinary PET material that is not resistant to high temperature. Usually, the requirements for packaging materials, high temperature resistance only needs 75 to 85 degrees. This material can still maintain good shape and ductility at the boiling point. The quality is very good. It is worth recommending.